Hey guys, shooting you a video today of a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne short bed. Beautiful truck, top to bottom, inside and out. Great running 350 V8 automatic, power steering and power front disc brakes, cold vintage air conditioning and heat. Basically all new. Looks to me like this truck's been off the frame when it was done. I purchased it just like you see it, out of Tennessee. Just a beautiful little truck. Runs and drives amazing. Sitting on a set of rally wheels with new white lettered tires. Of course, the Cheyenne package. They did add a cowl induction hood to it, steel cowl induction hood, full tinted window package, spray-in liner for the bed. Love these Tennessee trucks. Look how straight that is down the sides. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful truck. All new chrome and trim. We're waiting on the correct clips to come for these two pieces of trim. I do have the new trim, and that will be installed. Should be a few days and we'll have that lined out. Truck looks really nice underneath. New dual exhaust. If you're looking for a little C10 short bed, here it is. Priced right too. Priced at probably just a portion of what it costs to restore it. I love the cowl hood. I'm a fan of those cowl hoods. New seat foam, seat covers, tilt wheel column, custom steering wheel, factory tack in the dash, Kenwood sound system, vintage air conditioning. Sweet little truck. Let's fire it up here. Sounds nice. Look at all the chrome trim in here. It does have one ding in the grill shell right there. Beautiful under the hood here. Does have some headers. There's your power steering. Love how they painted the fender wells. There's your vintage air going through the firewall. Looks like it's got an ATI distributor. Very nicely done. Not real loud exhaust, more of a factory style muffler, but sounds good. New dash pad. Nice cold air on this truck. there you go, 1972 Chevrolet C10 short bed Cheyenne. Financing and shipping offered, 10% down, good credit, out to 180 months. Ship it to your door. We're located 60 miles southeast of St. Louis, 45 miles north of Carbondale, Illinois, smack dab in between Pinckneyville and Nashville on Highway 127, 8 miles south of Nashville. Give us a call, 618-336-5210. Go to vaughnsclassiccars.com to apply for financing. See many more pictures in this video there on our website. We'd love to do business with you. Give us a call, 618-336-5210, vaughnsclassiccars.com. 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne C10 Cheyenne.